I think you know our top speed lifts. I wanted to show you our new version, which is not only a soft close but also push to open. These are available in 4 power factors. Now you'll find out how to choose the right model for the specific dimension of the fronts. To calculate the F factor for appropriate lift model, we need data such as height of the front cabinet panel in millimeters and the weight of the front cabinet panel and double weight of the handle expressed in kilograms. We start by measuring the height of the front. The front is 300 millimeters high, weighs 5.2 kilograms, and the handle we will use is a Picado model weighing 50 grams. To correctly calculate the F factor, multiply the height of the front of its weight with twice the weight of the handle. Our calculations show that we should use a model with an average spring force. The package includes detailed assembly instructions, a template that facilitates the dimensioning of the mounting holes in the body, a set of mounting screws, 2 slides for mounting the front, 2 plugs for the lift arms, and the appropriate lifts with a set of plugs. In the push-to-open version you will also find a bumper. We will start with setting the mounting holes of the slide. Remember to include the front overlay in your calculations. All details on dimensioning can be found in the manual. Then we move to the cabinet body. We drill positioning holes that will stabilize our lift and facilitate the determination of the remaining mounting holes. After drilling the positioning and assembly holes, attach the lift to the body. Next step is to put the front on the lift arms. The new collection has been extended with an additional, stronger lift that can be used for fronts up to 600 mm, higher than before. Our mid-power lift is now installed. We can start adjusting. As you can see, our lift is now well adjusted as the front banks abruptly. The force of the spring tension is adjusted with a screw. The direction of increasing or decreasing the force is indicated by the symbol next to it. The level of adjustment of both sides must match. A correctly adjusted lift ensures long-term, failure-free use. It does not hit when opening and closes smoothly. The assembled front can be adjusted in 3 planes. Front adjustment facilitates its proper positioning after installation and alignment of the gaps. For the push-to-open lift, we additionally need to install a bumper in the previously drilled hole. As I mentioned at the beginning, the new collection also includes a push-to-open solution. It allows assembly of smooth, grip-free fronts. At this stage, all we have to do is mount the plugs, which come in 2 colors, white and fashionable anthracite.